Hi, I'm Brian. I'm a user experience designer for business software and SaaS. But what does that mean, and how can I add value to your products? Well, in a nutshell, I make complex systems intuitive and easy to use. I help companies save time and resources creating amazing software that users love. Because we all know that building systems involves a lot of risk. Imagine a scenario where your talented developers have sunken a lot of time and effort into building something that's bug-free and ready for release. But it just doesn't land well with users the way you expected. Maybe they find it disjointed, confusing in places, or it doesn't quite flow naturally. Now you need to unravel a lot of code to fix things. More time, more resources. But what if your developers only started building after you've solved your usability issues, and you know it'll hit the spot with users from the outset? No expensive rebuilds or production delays. Well, that's where a UX design process comes in. Basically, it's all about putting your users at the center of decision making. I approach the UX design process in 3 phases: understand, design, and validate. The challenge is that we as a product team aren't the users. So from the start, we need to understand them, their expectations, needs, motivations, and frustrations. From my toolkit, I draw on user research, persona development, and storyboarding during this phase. Next, I want us to really grapple with high-level design decisions before we get into the user interface weeds. Unfortunately, we can't overcome underlying structure and flow issues by only relying on attractive visual design. From my toolkit, I'll use information architecture design, user journey mapping, wireframing, prototyping, and visual user interface design. This is where we stop to check just how well we've met user needs, while it's still quick and easy to fix any issues. My magic tool here is user testing. After all, what we're doing here is user experience design. This design process will give you validated designs, a clear build scope and cost, and some happy, satisfied users. You'll avoid costly fixes and delays, and you won't get all sorts of nasty surprises down the line. So that's me. Please get in touch and we can discuss how we can bring out the best in your powerful software.